Hi, I'm John DeVore. Welcome to the channel. Today's not going to be a music review or anything like that. Today is going to be a tour of the newly expanded factory, mostly focusing on an update of the Komuro Amplifier Company. Some of you may already know that the Komuro Amp Company is something I started during the pandemic to diversify. DeVore Fidelity is a basket in which all of my eggs are contained. And so when COVID brought speaker sales to zero for a few months, I was terrified and I thought about ways to diversify. And so Komuro Amplifier was a result of that. And I will go into more detail on the history of Mr. Komuro himself and things like that. But for this one, I just wanted to do an update because the seed of the company started in 2020. And here we are 4 years later, and with all the havoc on supply chains that COVID wreaked, and we are now currently building the first 10 amplifiers with the intent to demonstrate the first amp at the AXPONA HiFi show in Chicago in April. So I'm now going to get behind the camera and I will give you a tour through the factory and show you our progress on the amplifiers. And as if by magic, I'm behind the camera. First, to tour a little bit through the system that's going to be at the show. These are the prototype O bronzes. This is a new model from DeVore Fidelity that we will be showing in Chicago. This has the O reference tweeter and an all-new woofer based on, it's essentially a hybrid of the O ref main driver and the woofer from the O96. Here is the pre-production Komuro amp. This is the first model that we are producing. This is a stereo single-ended 300B amplifier. It's going to be dressed up a little bit to make it look more like the production one, but this is almost certainly going to be the one that's at the show in Chicago. And as I think I've mentioned in previous videos, we are going to be spinning 78s. So here is a stack of 78s. The preamp that we're going to use is a Mola Makua, I think I'm pronouncing that right, which allows me to dial in the 78 curves on my phone with an app. How cool is that? That's crazy. Playing 78s with my phone. And there is the EMT TND 065. That is the 78 cartridge that we are bringing to Chicago. So now come with me. We are going to leave Monkey House. I don't know how many times that we've done this. But here is already more space. We've got our musical instruments set up finally. It's been a while since we've been able to jam out. More space here. I think I've already shown the DeVore Fidelity Museum. Look at all these things. Cabinets, projects. There are DeVore Fidelity koalas. That was our on-wall line of speakers that never really went into production. There's an Allison CD8. That was the last store-bought speaker I ever owned. There is 2 pairs of Gibbons Super 8s. One that is the original experiment building speakers in bamboo. That's a prototype O-reference bass machine. There's a very early, those speakers are 30 years old or so, something like that. There's a pair of those. That's the pair of micros that we may be bringing in addition to the O bronze to Chicago. But I'm not here to talk about the speakers. This is now where we're storing production parts and prototyping parts for all of the Komuro amplifier stuff. So here we have various parts. There's some ISO, which is Tango. Those are Tango transformers that we listen to. in the original evaluations. These are a bunch of our amp chassis ready to build. These are potted output transformers with the various secondaries in there. I did an unboxing video on this. This is one of the push-pull 845 monoblock amplifiers, and this is the in-progress prototype of what our production one might look like. Additional prototypes, and then this way, here is where this is Komoro's own workstation, where he's continuing to tinker with new ideas and new circuits. Here is where Komuro amplifiers are actually getting built. That is a production 300B stereo amp in process. Here are the first 4 chassis waiting to get built further. That's the first 4 of the 300B stereo amplifiers. And then just to show progress with the rest of the factory, here is now where DeVore Fidelity speakers are. All the final assembly happens in here on these tables. Packaging, shipping comes through here. All the shipping goes out of here. Our crazy burn-in rig, currently with some harpsichord. Sounds like Bach. More of those are speaker cabinets waiting to be built. There's a row of Gibbon 10 cabinets. These are baby baffles. These are all baffle blanks for various exotics. A lot of O reference and the 20s speaker fronts came from that stack. And these are all production 096 baffles waiting for assembly. So that's it for the update. Thank you for watching. I will see you at the next video. Bye.